Hello everyone, welcome back to Sujit Analytics. This is a continuation of Power BI tutorials for beginners. This tutorial, let's import some data into Power BI using Excel and CSV file. In the previous tutorial, I showed the interface of Power BI desktop. I recommend you to watch the tutorial and come to this tutorial. So this is the Power BI desktop. If you want to import the data into Power BI desktop, first we have to go to Home tab. In the Home tab, we have to use the Get Data feature. We have to set Get Data, and these are the common data sources we have. We click on More. These are the data sources we can connect. These are the uh, file data file data sources like Excel workbook, CSV files, JSON folder, PDF. The databases including SQL Server, Oracle, IBM, MySQL. These are the database we can connect. You can also connect to Azure, which is cloud. So now, as of now, let's connect to a CSV file. So CSV is a file, so we have to go to File and choose Text or CSV. In my uh, computer, I have a file which is employee CSV. So we have to open the file, connect to the file. Now Power BI desktop is connecting to employee.csv file. Now it shows a navigator preview. Now we have to click on employee. We load the preview. Now this is the employee ID, first name, last name. These are the different columns. Now this is the important thing. If you want to load the data directly into the Power BI desktop, you have to choose load. But if you want to transform the data, you want some transformations on your data, like changing data types, creating new columns, you can choose transform data. How to choose transform data. So it will connect to so it will open for editor. So these are the different columns. This is a query which is employee. On this query, we have different columns: employee ID, employee first name, last name, gender, age, their address, password, job ID, and email. So these are the data types. So this is a column name, and now we are able to see a number which is 1 to 3. Means it is a whole number. This is a text data. ABC means text data type. ABC means text. Text is the age. J integer or a whole number. So you can choose the right data type uh, based on the data in the column. So this is importing data from a CSV file. Let's close and import data from a Excel file. Choose Excel workbook as a source. Choose the Excel file. The downloads I have Excel files. Please I have a file which is ECL project file. Now I'm connecting to this file. So it's showing information. Please wait while we establish a connection to the Excel file. Now in the preview. These are the multiple sheets I have in my table. This represents sheets. This represents tables. So I want data from multiple sheets. So I want set multiple sheets. I have to click control chemistry. I want mathematics, philosophy, physics, and biology. I want this much sheets. I want all the data from this sheet. So we have to check all the sheets and we have to click on transform data. So we have all the tables, employee, chemistry. This is the CSV file which we loaded. Chemistry, mathematics, philosophy, biology, and physics. These are the sheets we have. Now we can check the data types of these columns. Now you see the exam date column as a data type date. This represents date. So once we perform transformations, we can able to uh, load the data into the Power BI desktop. Now we are in Power Query. If you want to perform in transformations, we can do here. This is about importing the data from CSV file and Excel file. We hope you understand. If you believe you learned something today, don't forget to give a like and share it with your friends who are learning Power BI. That's all. The next tutorial, we'll see the basics of Power Query. Let's do some hands-on practice in Power Query. That's all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.